Good morning, students. Today we are going to set our focus on the topic locating places on Earth. Chapter 8, starting on page number 49 of your textbook titled Time Track 5 and is being submitted to you on 5th April 2021. This voice is of Gurpreet Kaur. All the students may kindly open page number 49 of your textbook and be ready with your geography notebooks. So, dear students, kindly pay attention as I am going to explain the topic. In this chapter, students will try to learn about the imaginary lines that appear on globes and maps. What are latitudes and longitudes, and how we can find the exact location of a place using latitudes and longitudes. Let us discuss about globe first. Globe is the true model of the Earth. On the globe, we can locate all continents, oceans and countries. The globe is not fixed and we can rotate it like a top. Now we will discuss about imaginary lines. We can see a number of lines that run from north to south and east to west on a globe. These are called imaginary lines because they do not actually exist on the surface of the earth. We use imaginary lines to find the exact location of a place on a map or on a globe. These imaginary lines are lines of latitude and longitude. Let us discuss latitudes now. There are two types of imaginary lines found on a globe or map. The lines which run in east to west direction are called latitudes, as you can see in the picture. Latitudes run parallel to each other. That means the distance between any two latitudes is always equal. Therefore, they are also called parallels of latitude. The length of the latitude increases as we move away from the poles. The latitude which divides the earth exactly at the center is known as equator. This is called the equator. The equator divides the earth into two equal halves called hemisphere. The hemisphere above the equator is known as northern hemisphere and the hemisphere below the equator is called southern hemisphere. Both hemispheres are equal. Now we will discuss about the important latitudes. The two flattened ends of the earth towards north is called North Pole, and towards south is called South Pole. The lines of latitudes are labeled in degrees. The latitudes towards north from the equator are marked as 1 degree north, 2 degree north, and so on. The latitudes towards south from the equator are marked as 1 degree south, 2 degree south, and so on. The latitude of North Pole is 90 degree north, and that of South Pole is 90 degree south. The equator is marked as 0 degree latitude. So now children, as we have read a small part of this chapter, we will recount the topic by means of a short test. Do exercise A, fill in the blanks, and exercise B, match the following of your textbook Time Track 5 given on page number 52. With this explanation, I conclude the interactive session. Thank you.